This is a typical architect's scale. Looks like this. And there are multiple scales on it. If you look at the end over here, it will tell you what scale. So for example, this 1 is full scale. If you held up a regular ruler, it would match. This is exactly 1 inch right there. Okay. This piece right here, I'll turn it over so you can see, excuse me, is 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. Here we have 3 inches equals 1 foot. So you can see they've made it this way so that multiple scales can be all in one device. When you're looking to buy a scale for yourself, make sure that you get the architect's scale, which is in these typical formats, rather than the engineer's scale, which is in a completely different format. Here we have an example of a simplified floor plan. Let's see if we can use the architect's scale to measure the doors and the windows of this plan. First of all, let's zoom in. Take a look. This drawing is at 1/4 inch equals 1 feet. And for this particular example, they have handily given you a grid so that 1 square equals 1 foot. So let's take a look at this door. This is a door symbol right here. And that door is 1, 2, 3 feet wide. Now, pulling in our architect's scale, find the 1/4 inch scale. Then, line up the scale so that the 0 is at one edge of what you're trying to measure. Count from there, 1, 2, 3 feet. That door is 3 feet wide. Let's try measuring this window. Here's the window. Let's use the grid. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grids wide, so it's 6 feet wide. Measuring with the scale, we take the 0, we line it up with one edge, and we measure over 2, 4, 6 feet. Okay, don't get confused by the other numbers. That 92 is from the other end of the scale where we're measuring with an 1/8 scale. Let's try something that doesn't come out to an even number of feet. On this simplified drawing, the only thing that doesn't come up to another even number of feet is the width of this wall. So let's zoom in, take a look. To measure inches, you want to use this side of the scale. Okay? Take the 0, align it with one edge, and measure like a ruler. So this would be 12 inches. Halfway here is 6 inches. So taking a look at here, that is 8 inches wide. The wall is 8 inches wide.